everyone, I'm Anniken and now I'm going to show you how to grow sprouts step by step in the AutoSprout. We use this agri spoon that we developed to get the right amount of seeds per tray every time. So for the smaller seeds like alfalfa and clover that will grow today, you need one flat spoon each tray. I chose clover and alfalfa today because those are my kids' favorite because of their crunchy, crisp texture. So here you go. Put them in a cup and cover them with rich amount of water. And the seeds need to be soaked for 8 to 12 hours to be able to sprout. So here we have been soaking alfalfa and clover seeds for the whole day. And now in the evening we will to put them in the AutoSprout. And now it's time to place them on the tray. I start by using a lot of water to rinse them and also to place them. And then I softly use 2 fingers to just drag them in the tray like this. This is clover and alfalfa seeds. Now it's time to place the trays into the AutoSprout. Like this. Now I'm going to show you how to set the programs. First you put in the power adapter and then you'll see the control panel. And for the bigger seeds like pea and lentils, you may want to set the program for 2 to 3 days. You touch the play button to activate the panel and then you touch the clock and now you set days. We want it to run for 3 days. And then we push the light button here, which shows when the light will come on which day. For the bigger seeds like pea and lentils, you don't need any lights to come on. So then we will just go and push play. For the smaller seeds like broccoli and alfalfa, you would like them to run for 5 days. You push the clock button and set 5 days. Then you press the clock again. Now the light button comes on. You want the light to come on for the last 12 hours. And so then you set the clock on the 4th day. Push the clock and then you push play to activate the pump and the program starts. And now, as you can see on the display, you have 4 days and 23 hours left of the program. And when you push the light button, you see that the light will come on in 3 days and 23 hours. And then it's time to harvest your sprouts. It could be smart to use a box like this with a drainage system so that the water will drain to the bottom. Take your sprouts and simply take them off the tray. It's easy to harvest. Clover sprouts. Okay, and put on the lid. And store them in the fridge for up to a week. After harvesting, it's time to clean your trays. I prefer using a scrub like this. Use hot water and just scrub remaining seeds and roots. And you need to get rid of everything. If not, the dead plants will get moldy on the next batch.